Conversations with Charles Joseph. Welcome to yet another episode with Think Christ Apologetics Ministry. Charles, how can Christians work together in unity despite denominational and cultural differences?
Right, that's not an easy one either, but I'll try. When we speak of Christian denominations, there are dime a dozen, and it is indeed a fact that we need to acknowledge and be cognizant of. While there are many denominations, we need to see if there is agreement in the essentials. As an early church saint said, in essentials, unity, in non-essentials, liberty, and in all things, charity. That should be the dictum that directs the heart and mind of every Christian disciple, regardless of the denominational background that he comes in. In the essential core tenets of our faith, are we agreed upon, is what we need to really focus on. Now, peripheral matters that are not central to salvation are not matters that we need to be disputing and splitting hair about. And so we need to be a people that communicate solidarity in the essential tenets of our faith. We need to be a people characterized by love and care for our neighbor and for each other. We need to show that we are a forgiving community that does not hold grudges and does not have infightings. And we need to constantly make efforts to come together to be one voice in this world that is so famished for truth.
That is very well said, Charles. Thank you.